Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification button. Happy watching! Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make avocado dalgona coffee. For make avocado juice, you need 2 ripe avocados and 250 milliliters of water. As for dalgona coffee, you will need 3 tablespoons of instant coffee powder, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, and 3 tablespoons of hot water. Now I'm going to make the avocado juice. Now I'm going to blend it. I'm using the Thermomix blend function for 30 seconds. Or you can use juicer to blend it. It's done. Smooth and creamy texture. Transfer the avocado juice to the cup. Clean the bowl and get ready for the next step. Insert the butterfly whisk, coffee powder, white sugar, hot water, now I'm going to whisk it for 3 minutes and speed 4, or you can use the mixer or the balloon whisk. Transfer to the decoration plastic. Ready to decorate. Can add the chocolate crisp for the topping or any kind of toppings that you like. Thanks for watching. See you again on my next videos. Enjoy the drink.